Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 47 of our Wealthsimple Trade Challenge, where we try to grow our portfolio to $25,000 in the first 2 years of investing. And right now the portfolio is up to $24,697.93. So we are very close to meeting our goal about 2 months early, which is absolutely incredible. Now, the data is a little bit skewed here for the daily because I just submitted or deposited $1,000. The weekly, we're actually up $519. In the past month, we're up about $1,000. Past 3 months, we're still down a little bit, $230. In the past year, we're down $761. But all time, we are now up again, $174 or 0.71% all time. Now, what I'm going to be doing today is continuing to invest in those stable ETFs. And a lot of you have been asking in the comments, Riley, why are you not buying any individual stocks right now? Basically, what I'm trying to do is get my my holdings of my core ETFs up to about 70 to 75% of my portfolio, and then only investing about 2.5% of my portfolio into those individual stocks. Now, the reason is because these ETFs in a market downturn, or just in general, they're a lot more stable. This holds so many different companies. If one company, God forbid, a company goes bankrupt, you are going to lose so much profitability into that company. So basically what I'm doing is just being a little bit more stable with my investments. I'm being a little bit more cautious just because the market's a little bit down. Again, dollar cost averaging these large ETFs that I'm investing in, and I'm going to continue doing so as I would recommend to you. Although it's a boring way to invest, it's the more stable way to invest long term. So with that being said, I'm going to invest in a couple shares of VDY and VFV today. Probably going to use half of that $1,000 that we submitted last time. So I'm going to try to buy about 3 shares. Let's go 3 shares of VFV, and then we'll go a couple shares of VDY as well. So confirm order, that's VFV, which follows the S&P 500. And then the other stock we're going to be buying into today is VDY, which we've bought in the past. We'll buy about $250 worth of this stock, which should be, it's about 40. So let's try for about 5. Maybe we can get away with about 6 shares. There we go. So again, 6 shares of VDY, 3 shares of VFV. Again, continuing to dollar cost average on these great ETFs moving forward. As the market comes back up, those ETFs will too, and it's a little less risky than buying those individual stocks. Okay, hope you have a great day, guys. Talk to you next week, and we'll go from there. Have a great day.